Let us look at community gatherings and events. Let us read what our course reader is saying. In Zimbabwe, community gatherings are important events where people come together to celebrate, share, and support each other. So we have already talked about this when we were introducing keywords, that gatherings are important because people come together to do what? To celebrate, to share, and support each other. These gatherings help strengthen friendships and create a sense of belonging. Some of the community gatherings and events are. So before we get to that, we know that in Zimbabwe, community gatherings are important events where what do people do at community gatherings? People come together to celebrate, share, and support each other. So at community gatherings, people come together to celebrate, share, and support each other. So these are the three main things people gather to do. It's either to celebrate, to share, or to support each other. Celebrating muchato. And tinongana pamuchato kuti tipembere vawanana. To share, we might have a fundraising. Let us say we want to fundraise so that we can have money to help an orphanage. We might have a gathering to do that. Then to support each other, speak of a funeral where we go to support relatives who have lost their loved one. So these are just examples of why people gather. At it, these gatherings help strengthen friendships and create a sense of belonging. Some of the community gatherings and events are. So we already know that gatherings are there to strengthen friendships, to create a sense of belonging. So let us write it down. Community gatherings are there to strengthen friendships and create a sense of belonging. Saka zvakakosha hama dzangu kuva ne sense of belonging. A sense of belonging. And let me re-emphasize this. Why do we say it's important to have a sense of belonging? Zvakakosha nekuti kana uine a sense of belonging, you won't be lonely. And when you are not lonely, you are spared from various malevolent problems like having stress, like having many problems which are associated with being alone. Saka tunakunaka kuti uve alone, you have to be part of a community, and being part of a community brings with it the strengthening of friendships. Murikutamba mese, murikufara mese, you are beginning to know each other and your friendship is strengthened, and also creating a sense of belonging. Now, some of the community gatherings and events are these. We wrote them down, but let us write another list. So we want to look at types of community gatherings. What are these types of community gatherings? Number 1, community or village meetings, gatherings to discuss community matters. Kana makamboona dare raheadman Chigodora, it's just an example. Kana dare rachief Mutasa, that is a gathering. It's actually a community or a village gathering or a village meeting. So these are done to discuss community events. Akosha kuza kuti vanhu vanenge vachiunganira chief for a village meeting. It is to discuss community matters or village matters. That will be the reason. Number 2, cleanups. Saka we have cleanup campaigns. Nharaunda yakanyanya kuita tsvina, vakuru vanotirovedzera kuti tiungane tichenese nharaunda yedu nekutsvaira, nekunonga marara, nekupisa marara, nekusakurira panoda kusakurwa nezvakasiyana siyana. So this is coming together to clean and beautify the community. So the reason is coming together to clean the environment. Number 3, we have work parties. Kana chiti work parties, tiri kutaura nhimbe kana ilima. We learned about this. So nhimbe it's Shona, ilima it's Isindebele, working together on community projects. So you can actually visit our previous lesson, which was Unit 2, where we discussed in depth nhimbe and oro ilima. Then lastly, we have what is called Zunde Ramambo. Zunde Ramambo, this is a traditional gathering for sharing food and resources. Okay, so vanhu vari kuungana, but it's a traditional gathering. Vanhu vanoungana zvikuru sei kana kuti kazhinji kumuzinda wamambo, that is the king's palace. Traditional gathering to do what? For sharing food and resources. Sharing food and resources. Like this. So this is it. Let us look at activity 3.1. In a small group, discuss a community gathering you have attended. Share why it was important and what you learned from it. So you have to have your friends here to do this activity. Have your brother, your sister, your parents, your guardians. You may participate in this activity where you discuss a community gathering you have attended. So let me give an example. I attended a wedding. And so this is the community gathering which I attended, a wedding. Then share why it was important and what you learned from it. It was important because 2 loved ones were marrying each other. It was blissful, people were happy, people were celebrating. What did I learn? I learned the importance of discipline, because the man who was marrying this woman, they were both disciplined enough to marry each other. So I learned the importance of family, because the family was there to celebrate the occasion wholeheartedly. I learned a lot of things. So you might also have your own activity 3.1, where you state a gathering you have attended and state the importance and the lessons you took from it. Saka munenge makaungana muri shamwari, mopana mukana wekutaura magatherings amakamboenda kwaari. Mutsanangura zvakare kukosha kwaakaita kwamuri uye zvamakadzidza. Ndiyo activity 3.1. Let us look at, now we want to focus on exercise 3.1. Exercise 3.1. What is the traditional gathering for sharing resources called? Saka the traditional gathering for sharing resources ndiyo yatatichi Zunde Ramambo. You can look at this. Number 4, Sundera Mambo, a traditional gathering for sharing food and resources. So this is the answer here, Sundera Mambo. Number 2, meetings to discuss local issues are called village meetings. Munogona kutarisa panapa. Village meetings, gatherings to discuss community matters. Number 3, coming together to clean the community is a clean up. Domanyorero atinoita. Please don't forget this hyphen. Munonyora mchiti clean moisaka dash mavamati up. So a clean up, we are coming together to clean and beautify or ornament our community.